This review is of Tiki Cat Born Carnivore Light for adult cats over 1 year old. Huh. It would be kind of funny if they said for baby cats over 1 year old. I think I think they wanted to be clear for people who are not certain whether a 1 year old cat is an adult or not. When technically, I think 1 year old, they're actually teenagers, not adults. So it's a little bit contradictory. So this is the turkey recipe. It's got 150 milligrams per kilogram of L-carnitine for healthy metabolism. It's baked for minimal processing. Gentle fiber, omega-3s and 6s, 100% non-GMO, 40% less fat, low calorie. I like the fact that the bag is resealable. Let's see. So recommended daily feeding portion. And let's see. Feeding wet and dry together. Here are the blurbs. Now it says at least 42%. It says 42% protein guaranteed. Wow. Okay. And cats need meat, not plants. Let's see how well they do on that. Deboned turkey, chicken meal, peas, dehydrated chicken, powdered cellulose. Wait a second, you said no animal byproduct. I can come back to that. No animal byproducts, no corn, wheat, or soy, no artificial colors or flavors, no processed plant proteins. Okay, I like that. Cats must eat meat and cannot efficiently digest plants. It's a high protein nutrition that mimics cats' natural prey diet. Yeah, sure. Cats naturally predate on peas and powdered cellulose and yeast and flaxseed. Yeah, okay, you've lost me there. Cats need extra hydration. Do keep an eye on your cats, because if you don't see them drinking a lot, you will need to add extra water to their diet somehow or other, either through wet foods or wetting their dry foods. My cat tends to drink readily, but some cats are not naturally inclined to drink, and they need nutritional variety. And I give my cats nutritional variety. He is very healthy. The vet doesn't know that I only give him kibble, but the vet is always very happy with his health. And he has a glossy coat, so I never have a problem with that. Now, if we take a look at the guaranteed analysis, 38% protein, but it says 42%. Oh, well, okay, whatever. This is a minimum. 38 to 42%. Crude fat of 11. That's kind of on the low side, but my cat was getting a bit chubby, so I chose that. Crude fiber of 10%. I'm not really sure that cats actually need fiber. It seems to me to be kind of silly. And these, let's see, is there anything else? A blurb. It's from Canada. Hey, you Canucks. And it is formulated to meet the nutritional levels established by the AAFCO. Now, if you see a product that has not been established with it, I'm not saying that the AAFCO has the best profile for cats, but I would say that it's a good sign if a company is trying to meet or exceed the nutritional levels established by the AAFCO. If you're a vet, tell me what you think of the AAFCO. And that's pretty much it for me. Here, let me zoom in. I'm sorry. I apologize. So again, there's the blurbs and advice about eating and the ingredients and the guaranteed analysis. So I'm going to say that, this Tiki Cat has some good products. I'm a little bit disappointed that they talk about cats shouldn't be eating are not plant eaters, And yet it has a significant amount of plant matter in it from peas. So it's a little bit weird that they do that, say that. Because cats don't hunt plants. Doesn't matter what brand. If you are having problems with your cat being obese, either I'm gonna tell you right now, you should look at number one at whether there are a lot of carbs, and peas do have carbs. And number two, if you're given too much food, and if the cat is overeating and or self-moderating his food consumption. Well, I'm going to be doing a comparison video of this product against those three products. So I'm going to give this a thumbs up. I can't give it a number because I'm not entirely sure, but it's good. Tiki Cat has some good choices out there. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.